Updating your password on the Netflix account is pretty easy. So here is how to do it. Open the Netflix app and wait until you see the home screen. If you do, or if you are not already signed in, enter your Netflix login credentials to access your account. It is essential to be logged in before proceeding to the next step of changing password. Locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access a drop down menu. From the drop down menu, select Account. In the account settings, look for the change password option. It is generally located at the bottom of the account setting page. Now you will be redirected to the change password form where you fill up details to reset password in Netflix. Follow the course of the password change from and enter your current and new password. To create a strong password, use a mix of alphabets, number, and special characters. This gives up an extra layer of protection. In the process of creating a strong password, don't overcomplicate it as you have to remember it to log in again. This is the most important step. Here you will see a sign out of all devices option and checkbox next to it. Don't forget to check this box and this will make sure that any device currently using your Netflix account will have to sign in again using the new password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.